This is the A sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the A sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the E and E sounds which we looked at in previous videos? The A sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the E sound. Now do it again, but this time produce a long sound as you transition to the E sound. A. Well done, you just produced the A sound. This sound is known as a closing diphthong because the mouth closes when we produce it. However, the symbol is a bit out of date because the mouth usually ends more closed in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation we don't produce the E sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct starting position. So, try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. A. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the A sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Able, train, maybe, delay, they, travel, great, fiancé. The A sound is usually spelt with the letters A and E, often in combination with the letters I and Y. But remember that these letters may produce other sounds in other words. Lots of words of French origin contain this sound, and they may be written with an accent. However, the accents mean nothing in English, and they should be ignored when speaking. The A sound may be confused with the E sound in minimal pairs, such as gate, get, late, let, wait, wet, pain, pen, taste, test. Remember to close your mouth when you produce the A sound to avoid confusing it with the E sound in these minimal pairs. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. 8 steaks remain. The cafe bakes great cakes. The grey train was delayed. I gained weight at the buffet. They played an amazing game. When a word ends in the A sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound, we insert the Y sound. For example, they insisted. Day and night. Grey, a grey area. This is known as intrusion, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. I recommend you watch my previous video on intrusion for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the A sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.